Pag sinuntukan yung bumatos ka talaga. Wala namang ganyan.
Matras to.
Walang kanta. Entrance lang par. Speech.
Matras to.
You and I, we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just, humane society, and establish
A government.
that shall embody
Our ideals and aspirations.
promote the common good, conserve and develop
Our patrimony.
and secure to ourselves
And our posterity.
the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law,
Regime of truth. Justice.
freedom, love, equity, and peace,
And
to ordain and promulgate this Constitution, the preamble of 1987.
Okay.